What is that? I don't know.
This is a living room. That's a bunny bear. This is the dining area. Big dining area. Kitchen, which needs a refrigerator and a dishwasher. And the hallway.
One bathroom.
Bathroom number 1. I can do it. Alright, sit down shower. And Thomas's room. Which is very nice. Huge closet, walk-in closet. Yeah. And cabinets, yep. And then the master bedroom, which has its own bathroom. And shelving behind the door. Nice sized room with a giant walk-in closet. And some building is on fire nearby.
Okay. Turn the lights off.
Yeah. And then outside.